In this video, I'll show you how to fix the GCash app account is on hold problem. If you can't log in because GCash says your account is on hold, the first thing to do is check your email, including your spam folder. GCash says it may send you an email explaining why the account was put on hold, such as account deactivation under its terms and conditions or issues related to account verification. Next, check your SMS messages. GCash says some users receive a text that says the account was placed on hold due to routine verification. If you receive that message, GCash directs you to contact support, and its support team says it replies by email. If you did not receive any email or SMS, GCash says you should chat with Gigi, type account on hold, and follow the steps there so the system can check your account status. And if your account is a basic account that was not fully verified within 12 months, GCash says it can be restricted or suspended. In that case, you may need to verify the account or request a fund transfer to a new GCash account through support. So again, to fix the GCash account is on hold problem, check your email, check your SMS, then contact support through Gigi if you didn't get a notice or still can't log in. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.